Okay, good to have you again back on Smart Depot, and today we'll be talking about Gcam 7.4. We've talked about the features in an earlier video. You can check it in the cards right now. But today we'll be going into the advanced settings, the best settings that you can do, and how to tweak your Gcam to get the best picture for every scenario. So to make it very, very easy, we're going to classify the advanced setting into 4 classes, and then the first one will be high dynamic range. We're going to show you the settings related to high dynamic range in the advanced setting. Then the next one is image quality, and we're going to show you all the settings that are actually very basic and important for image quality. And then we're going to move into picture processing. There are settings where you can tweak how the picture is processed and kind of enhancement. And then we're going to go finally, and then we'll talk about astrophotography and night sight, how you can actually tweak it also to enhance the best picture in night sight. There's no way it's going to be possible to cover everything about Gcam in this video, but so that's why we classified it into 4 major aspects, and then we'll make sure you know how to tweak this, and they're so easy. So if you sit back and relax, let's go in and now show you how to do this. 2 different Gcam 7.4 will get us started. The one on the left is Miniquetta, the one on the right is Parrot 043. So if you look at the left now, this one was designed exclusively for Oneplus 6 and Oneplus 6T, but surprisingly it's working perfectly on Realme X2, and it has way more advanced setting than that of Parrot 043, and that is the confusion we want to clear. Many people keep saying my Gcam doesn't have this advanced setting, my Gcam doesn't have that advanced setting. You don't need to know all. It doesn't need to have all the advanced settings, especially for Gcam 7.4, because it has been way refined, and the quality has actually boosted up. So if this is your first time of watching this video, or you just like our channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified when we do videos like this. So since you see that the interface of Gcam 7.4 is the same thing, we are going to move straight away into the HDR. Now those 3 pictures taken at the same time, the first one on the left with our HDR, HDR plus and HDR plus enhanced. So let's start from the one without HDR. So if you zoom in very well, you begin to see that there is noise in this picture. Then you go to the HDR plus and you zoom in, you would notice that this noise is just disappearing, and you can see the difference between this one and this one. The difference is like night and day. Then because we haven't tweaked anything, the HDR plus enhanced and the HDR plus just look like the same thing, but all that is going to change because we're going to go inside Gcam right now and tweak. And to put it in perspective, this is the stock camera in our phone. This is the picture he took this element around 6 a.m. in my local time. We're going to go to Gcam, and then we're going to take the picture with Gcam, and right now it's set to HDR plus enhanced. So we're going to set it, we're going to take it now. As you can see, this is way better than this stock camera. It's actually on the custom ROM anyway, but the Gcam is way better on the HDR plus enhanced without any tweak. But the thing we're going to do right now is that we're going to go into the setting and we're going to tweak some things and advanced settings about HDR plus enhanced, the maximum auto exposure. If you're using Parrot 043, this frames, enhanced frames, the higher you go, the more saturation and more color boost it brings out. And then there is also max auto exposure, but it doesn't matter the one you're using. Each of this HDR setting will do similar thing. So let's go in now to Miniquetta, and then let's tweak it to bring out the best for HDR plus enhanced. As you can see, there is also auto exposure correction. We're going to hit it for 1 second, and then we're going to go in and see how it goes here. We're going to take the same picture we took down, and we're going to compare it with the other ones we've taken. So this is with a little tweak right now. This is what we had before that we thought it was good. Of course, it's better than this one, but when we saw this, was like, oh, this is good, but with a little tweak, and you can even tweak it even more. I'll show you later the settings, but with a little tweak right now, this is way better than this, and better than this one, surely. So that is what you can just go in, tweak in HDR, and it changes everything. So we're going to go into the setting now. Next one, we're going to do the picture quality. Just keep the quality of the picture in the highest. And that's just not all. We're going to go into the advanced setting, look for wherever there is JPEG compression, and we're going to push it up to the 100%. That means remove any compression so that your picture quality will be very, very good. Of course, the size might increase, but we want to have the best quality of picture. So with these two things done now, we're going to turn on auto white balance, and then we're going to take the same picture we took now to see whether there will be any significant difference when we snap this picture. So now let's check it out now. So with a little tweak in image quality and added to what we've already done with HDR, we're able to get a way better picture. This is HDR without tweak, HDR with tweaks, and then this is where we took into, improve the quality. Man, that white balance, the black is black and then the white is so pure white, but you can see here on that carton for the phone that it's not so white. So these are the things there. So let's go in a little bit about night sight. So to put it in perspective, this is my camera. So I'm going to compare it with Gcam, and I'm going to bring in the two Gcams so you can see that's actually not much difference in this. This is without any tweak. So this is the night sight mode without any tweak in about 2 seconds or 3 seconds, and this is my stock camera. I mean, it is just clear difference. So I'm going to open the other Gcam, and I'm also going to do snap the same thing, so you can see that the Gcam without any tweak, they almost look like the same, they have the same thing. So that's why we are talking about the advanced setting. If you still haven't subscribed, just click on that subscribe button, and then you can see now the Gcams are looking alike, but this is the stock one, and it's not looking so good. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to show you how we're able to get this picture and then to be better than the one we've already taken and in the other Gcam. This is after some tweaks. Right now you can see that there is light in this wall side. As you can see here, there is a little bit darkness, but here is, you can see, is bright. So I'm going to show you what I did a little bit here. So you go to your advanced setting, and then you go to, for this particular one, you just have to go to exposure compensation. Be it any Gcam you are using, go to exposure compensation, and then you can pull it up to 1.4. You can even pull it 1.6, 1.8, or 2, and with that, your picture will look better. So finally, I'm going to go into post-processing. Now, this one might not give you any significant, differences, visible to the eyes, but it has a whole lot it's going to do. If you really want to put the picture in PC, use it for any other thing, you have to really do this. But most people who are professional enough to know how to do this, choose to do it in post-processing or with other applications like Photoshop, Snap Speed, and many other photo editing. But you can also do it in Gcam, tweak every color, every post-processing the way you want, and at the end of it, it will become so clear. So if you're using the Parrot 043 kind of port and Unix, then you go to Leap Patcher. That's where you see your tone curve and post-processing setting. And until I see you in the next one, peace out. Subscribe. I'll see you.